Look. They're $5 with copper. They have the lemon glass tumbler with straw. They're $5. Oh, tomato. This is so cute. They're $5. They're $3. I only want $1. Oh look, magnets. And it's only $1. Premium organic. How much is this? They have different colors. I like it. It's lightweight and it's only $3. $5. $5. They also have these. $5. Oh, $3. They have a snack box and it's $3. Silicone cup holder. $1. Oh, emergency. It's a $3 crossbody bag. They have different design. There are $5. Oh, bat ice cream bubble maker. Oh, it's cool. What is? They have this one, like the paper towel holder, removable spray bottle. Oh, and this is $3. They also have different storage. We are at Target. $30. Collapsible drying rack. They have bean slider. Oh, this is the one. $3. $3. Okay, if you're traveling, Target, they have carry-on. How much is it? And they have the Hello Kitty. Oh, the price is $15.50. And they have another, the marble 60, Hello Kitty 60. So only these are 50. The same as Walmart, but they have different. I like the color though. 20% recycled plastic. And they have that. It's microwavable. Oh, it is. Complete. This is for kids. Learn. Look at that. They're $20 each set. They have the earphone too. You want to make something? They have the hamburger. How much is this? They also have, oh, tomato. I don't know how much is it. And how much is it? How much is it? And they also have the corn. Oh, there's a tomato. What smells like it?
Somebody took a
They're
bite out of
$10. It smells like what? And they also have the hot dog. Oh.